Oh, I think Buddy injured his foot. Or he might be a newer, or he might be a baby one. Look at him go. You okay, buddy? Yeah. You okay? Hi. Y'all are cute. Of course, there comes Celine. There's Celine. But look at this little guy. I think he might have his foot injured or something. I hope he's okay. He looks okay. I think he might be injured a little bit, but he looks okay. He can fly. He can fly. So there's that. Looks like he can hop. He can hop. There's the finch. There's all these guys. Look at them. This Google Pixel, man. We got good quality here. Zoom quality is great. Everything. Hello, look at you. Hello, good morning. And then there's the other side. Let me see if I can get them. There they are. This Pixel, oh my gosh, this quality of camera. This camera quality is insane. This is exactly how I'm seeing things right now. Wow. It's just insane. This is how, doesn't feel like I'm seeing this from a camera. Wow. And I'm zoomed in too, so.